After you scan the QR code from the coach or the team manager, you will be taken to this screen. In here, you will be able to check players in, set the final score, and enter misconduct at the end of the match. At the bottom of this page, you can see any players that are suspended for your match. You may click on that player information and see the photo and other information pertaining to that player. Next, you will check players in. You can see that the suspended player is there, but you cannot check that player in. Next, you will check in any players that are present in the match. Be sure to match their photo with who they are. They do not need to give you a physical player pass this season. Any players not present should not be checked in. You may uncheck a player if accidentally checked. Next, you will check in coaches and team managers that are present at the match. If a coach is present and not on the roster, they may give you a coaching pass that tells them they are eligible. Next, you will check in the second team. Be sure to follow the same process and check in all players and coaches that are present. At this point, you are ready to begin your match. Please be sure to save this screen and do not close it. You will need it for the final part of the match. At the end of the match, you will go into this to set the final score. Click on Set Final Score, add the scores for each teams, and then click Save Score. Next, you will enter any misconduct under Enter Infraction. Select the appropriate team and player for any misconduct. Please be sure if you are doing a report for an unsporting behavior that you enter the correct laws of the game code for this type of infraction. Click Save, and then add any additional misconduct that you may need. If you are given a red card, you will follow the same steps. Select the appropriate team, find the appropriate player, select red card, and select the appropriate code for the red card that you gave. In this next section, you will enter the pertinent information for the challenge that happened. Player name, the offense that occurred, their team name, and the minute that it happened. At the end, you will write, "Please see full NCSRA misconduct report." In this section, you do not need to add the entire supplemental report. The supplemental report will be used from the NCSRA report that you submit. Once you finish this section, you will click the purple Save button and be taken back to the primary page to finish any additional misconduct that you may have. If for any reason you have closed this screen after player check-in, please be sure to fill out the Arbiter Match Report for your match. This will allow assigners and NCYSA to ensure that game information is captured. Once you are back on this page, verify that the information submitted is correct, review it. Once confirmed, click Done, and once you see the game updates submitted, you are done. Please reach out to NCYSA with any questions or contact your assigner to get additional information.